I'm going to make a sausage and egg breakfast today. I'm bringing it to a show. There is something very important about my business. It's an event that I missed this weekend, and because of some unavoidable circumstances. But so what I have here, it's just the crescent roll, and then I have eggs and and beef sausage, and I'm using this large Peachstone. I love it. It's my favorite. I actually made farmer's pizza yesterday to Helen because I was jealous of you. You are making it and it looks really good. So I made my own. So let's see this. Alright. First of all, I'm gonna put everything there and then just roll it. You can also use this to make taco ring. I love taco ring. I always bring that at work when we have something going on. I miss them, the directors that are in Maryland right now. I miss you guys. I wish I'm there with you today. But let me just have a show to offset it. So there it is. So what's good with this sausage and egg breakfast is you can make it ahead of time and then just put it in the fridge or bake it. So I'm going to flatten this with this rolling pin, and you can use this too when you are making pizza. Just wanna, and Facebook. Right now it's flat. So this, I have already prepared this mixture. This has eggs in it and pepper and what else? And spring onions. So I'm going to put some here. Oh, that's good. And roll it. This is really a good breakfast, especially if you have children and they want to, like, this is a good source of protein. So prepare it ahead of time, and all they need to do is just put it in their lunch bags and they have good food. Even you as adults when you go to work. I love this Peachstone. Oh, it's overflowing. Oh my gosh, looks good. It smells so good. It's very easy to make. You can prepare it, put it in the fridge, and then bake it the next day. By the way, this large Peachstone, it's not only for pizza or something like this egg and sausage ring. You can make anything with it. You can even make pizza, what do you call that, like dessert with it. Okay, let's see. Now we are going to roll it. I want to have more, I want it full. And then you roll this side. And what I would do is I would do it just like that. Oh, I hope it doesn't fall. Oh, I might need more. Oh wait, I need to put cheese. I forgot, sorry. So, by the way, this is a shredded cheese. I did not buy. Oh, I think I needed more. All right, I need more. It's crowded. All right. Let's put more here. Looks good. Oh my gosh, I will make one for me too. Put some cheese. Sprinkle cheese there. Because I love cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Tell me if you don't. Tell me if you do, and what kind of cheese do you want? Do you like the most? It's not full. I need more. Hey, who's there? Hi, Ellen. Hey, I can't wait to see this cook when it's done. Whew. Mm. This is not like the same size. There's big and small. Sorry, first time making this sausage and egg breakfast. I always make the taco ring. Taco ring, oh my goodness, so good. Yay! All right. Okay. Now I'm going to brush some egg whites to make it better. This brush is amazing. All right. I'm gonna sprinkle more cheese. Then I'm gonna bake it for 30 minutes. Okay everyone, I will be right back. I'll take a picture when it's done.